Hello everyone, this is Shreyans Jain. Hope you are doing good. Let's have a market outlook for 20th April. Before we get into the details and understand what are the basis of my market outlook, let's understand the overall market opinion. Buying is not supported by market participants. We recommend you to maintain cautious view towards new investments. Now let's understand what was the market action as on today, which is 27th of April 20th. So Nifty was up by 127 points or approximately 1.4%, supported by mid cap, supported by small cap. VIX also came down, and Dow Jones was also up by 1.4% by the time I am recording this session. And DIIs were up, were net buyers worth 1141 crores. Advanced decline ratio of 1.4, which is also positive. And as well as today we have seen gain in all the sectoral indexes. Talking about few of the points which were negative. Volume came down significantly to 51 crore as against the 70 crores of a 3 months daily average. So this shows that the number of participants or the overall activity in Nifty has came down significantly. FIIs, they continue to be sellers. Today also they sold approximately 916 crore worth shares, and technical indicators were also negative. So although Nifty was supported by all the sectoral as well as the different indexes and the how the indexes, but few points which to be considered is first, volume is continuously falling, hereby implying that increase or the gain in Nifty is not supported with volume. FIIs and DIIs are still net sellers for the month, with FIIs approximately 7,777 crores and DIIs still a seller of approximately 1,871 crore, approximately like 9,800 crores not net sellers. Nifty failed to sustain the level of 9,380, which is a major resistance. So overall, based on this overall data, we recommend to maintain a cautious view. Let's have a look on the sectoral indexes. So as you can see from here, all these sectoral indexes were in green, closed with quite a significant gain. Let's understand what is the overall opinion. So with today's close, since we have noticed that Nifty also gave away its gain as a major resistance, and same was noticed with all other indexes. So now next positions are recommended to be built only if they close their next major resistance, and I have listed down the resistance levels. So for Nifty is 20,500, for auto it is 5,700, Nifty financial is 9,900, it for FMCG is 29,200. Nifty IT is the only sector which I'll say it has taken a breakout, and new positions can be initiated based on some selective stocks. Nifty Pharma, consider new positions only if closes above 9,800, and Nifty Metal, consider new positions only if closes above 1,750. Nifty Reality, although it closed with a gain, still it is recommended to exit or not to initiate any new positions. Disclaimer: all the analysis presented in the video is for reference purposes only and should not be considered as investment advice. Individuals should perform their own due diligence, analysis, and consult with a financial advisor before making the investment decisions. Thank you. Thanks for your time. Have safe investing.